Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD drawing at wrong scale or coordinates using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your shifted layouts on your current setup session so your digital lines match your real measurements perfectly. Step 1. Check and change your basic measurement units. The first step is to open up your main size measurement rules to ensure the program isn't calculating your lines in the wrong system type, like inches instead of millimeters. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the letters UN on your keyboard, and press Enter. Look at the small menu box that pops up, find the row that talks about the insertion scale unit, and look at the selected name in the drop-down list. Because if your system units do not match your real-world project rules, every single shape you paste into your drawing canvas will look way too small or way too giant. You have to open this measurement panel so you can set a solid rule for your files. Without this step, your tools will continue to use the wrong numbers behind the scenes. Step 2. Type the correct scale option for your system. Next, you need to use the Unit menu drop-down list to change your measurement type to match your exact project needs so the software reads your line sizes correctly. Click the arrow on that unit drop-down row, select the exact measurement type you want, like millimeters or meters, and click the OK button at the bottom. Watch the setup window disappear to confirm that the system engine has locked your new measurement choice into its active memory card. Because telling the application exactly what system to use prevents it from resizing your items by mistake when you bring in outside shapes. It aligns your workspace preferences perfectly with your real tape measure. It ensures your layout stays completely accurate from the very first line you draw. Step 3. Move your entire drawing to the center map point. Now, you need to take all your scattered shapes and slide them across the screen map so they sit exactly at the true zero starting point of your software grid. Highlight every single object on your screen by dragging a giant box over everything. Type the letter M for move, hit Enter, click a corner of your shape, type the numbers 0, 0 into your bottom typing line, and press Enter. Watch your items jump across the background layout and notice how they sit neatly next to the main horizontal and vertical border lines. Because when your shapes float millions of miles away from the true center of the virtual map, your tools will start jumping around and acting glitchy. By forcing your lines down to the absolute zero coordinate point, you bring them back to a stable zone that the computer can track easily. It is the key step to getting the right output because it stops your pointer from lagging. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD drawing at wrong scale or coordinates, you must first type UN to check your basic measurement units. Then you select your preferred scale type from the drop-down list to match your real project rules. Next, you select everything and type M followed by 0, 0 to slide your shapes to the true map center. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.